we got this thing all assembled. This is the Dirty Hand Tools log splitter, and it seems to work really good. So I was going to do a quick pull start on it so you can see. Turn the thing on. We've already got the throttle turned up. You get a full pull. It's not a Honda. Okay, starts right up. And here's the power. Now we've got a knotted piece here. Go ahead. It just goes right through it. It doesn't care. Effortlessly. Now, let's put a real log on it. Let's see how that one does. Here's the real test. Can it split this log? You're seeing it for the first time, just like me. Well, we'll do it. Oh yeah. Broke a little piece off. Right there. Right on that crack right there. There you go. Firewood size. I got a bit of wood to split. Alright, here we go. Here's a good bite. I always want to be a little bit out of the way. This is a lot of pressure. Oh yeah. Yeah, I guess this thing's worth its weight in gold. We'll split that one again. These small ones, it just goes right through it like nothing. There you go. Bring it down to an idle here. Bring it down to an idle. Let's see it. There's an idle. There's a nice idle. So, yeah, it does the job. You know, for the price, the motor sounds great too. I mean, it doesn't sound like it's a rattly piece of junk, really. It's a no-name, but it does have overhead valve. It has the overhead valve on it, so it sounds a lot like a motorcycle. And it took 5 gallons of hydraulic fluid to fill it up. Put some good oil in it. Make sure you get good oil. We put Castrol in there, and that thing will probably last. I mean, I don't know. That's a pretty good test right there. That's a heavy eucalyptus log. So anyway, that's it for the test on it. Talk to you next video. Please like, share, and subscribe.